Even in the silence of ruins, the future waits to rise. Egypt had collapsed, its rulers gone, its provinces fractured, and the Nile, once Egypt's lifeline, carried the murmur of hunger and unrest. For more than a century, the two lands wandered without direction. But in Thebes, a leader emerged, not shaped by comfort, but tempered by conflict. Mentuhotep II, the reunifier, the restorer of order. Through strategy, resilience, and unbreakable authority, he bound Upper and Lower Egypt under one crown once more. Temples breathed again, the land recovered, and from the ruins of the past, a new era rose. The Middle Kingdom, Egypt's first great resurgence. A new dynasty rose, one that transformed stability into strength. Amenemhat I, visionary and architect of renewal, founded a fresh capital, Ichjatawi, the heart of a reorganized nation. But shadows struck from within. His assassination became one of Egypt's most haunting warnings, proof that power is never safe from envy. Yet Egypt endured, for waiting in line was Senusret I, a warrior king, master of diplomacy and conquest, who secured Nubia, reinforced Egypt's borders, and revived pyramid building as a symbol of restored tradition. Then came Senusret III, a ruler so dominant his name travelled farther than Egypt's armies. A reformer, a conqueror, a king whose authority redefined the very structure of Egypt. Many believed he carried divine power even before death. But Egypt's rebirth was not defined by war alone. This era nurtured thinkers, poets, and scholars who shaped Egyptian ethics for generations. Texts of wisdom reminded the people, justice strengthens the heart, humility preserves the soul. Engineers extended irrigation canals, farmers revived the soil. Priests restored ancient rites that anchored Egypt's identity. What emerged was a nation reborn, not only in power, but in spirit. A civilization once fractured, now stood united and enduring. Yet beyond Egypt's renewed strength, distant dangers stirred. Trade routes stretched far. Foreign travelers reached Egyptian borders. Along with them came troubling rumors. New peoples rising in the east, new tactics, new weapons. Egypt did not yet know their name, but history would mark it, the Hyksos. Their arrival would transform Egypt once again and challenge everything the Middle Kingdom had restored. But that belongs to the next chapter. The Middle Kingdom achieved what few civilizations could. A nation devastated, rebuilt with purpose. A culture shaken, revived with clarity. A kingdom divided, reunited by will and discipline. Its rulers left behind innovations in administration, literature, engineering, and strategy that shaped the identity of Egypt for a millennium. This era was not merely a return, it was a triumph of resilience. For Egypt showed the world, a civilization can fall, but its spirit can rise stronger than before. The Middle Kingdom, not just Egypt's revival, but the rebirth of a world power.